Hey, it's Matt Leicht, your Sarasota realtor, and today I'm at Talon Preserve, and I'm going to take you through the Stellar model. The Stellar model is part of the Echelon series. Now, the really cool thing about the Echelon series is it features 10 feet 8-inch ceiling heights, which is amazing. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom with a pool. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go check it out. Just off the entrance, you have this front flex space, which this particular model shows it as an office. As you enter the heart of the home, check out all of this space. This home, this series, the Echelon series, features 10 feet 8-inch ceiling heights. Now this model has got premium quartz countertops, and now again, one of my favorite things that this builder does, DeVasta, is they put in these, now this is an option, they put in these 0 corner sliders, which, check this out, they open up all the way, which brings in that cool winter fresh air every morning when you go to the kitchen and grab a cup of coffee. Off the living room is this beautiful master bedroom. This master closet, this is like the size of my kid's bedroom. So just across the den, you've got another bedroom, which has got these huge bay windows and it's got its own private full bathroom. And down this hallway, you've got bedroom 3. And next to bedroom 3 is a full bathroom. Thanks for watching this model home tour. If you want floor plans and pricing, go ahead and click the link in the video description below. If you want to check out the rest of the model homes here at Talon Preserve, go ahead and watch this playlist right here. And finally, if you don't want to miss a thing in regards to Sarasota and Sarasota real estate, just subscribe.